Good morning, Dr. Bala. We are from Group 6 and we're going to present a report of our assignment with the title Zero Waste Toothpaste Tablet for the subject MRR3014 Research Design. My name is Tzee and my number matrix is D20211 098 263 and I'm going to present the report 1. For report 1, we need to conduct a research method to gather information about toothpaste tablet because it is more objective and simpler. Respondents can complete the online survey using Google Form wherever they are, and this will make it more flexible and convenient for them. We use Google Form to run our survey online, and we have taken a great care in studying how to set up the questionnaire in such a way to engage to the respondent attention. For the questionnaire, we have included 3 sections, which is the introduction, isolation part, and the questionnaire. For the introduction of questionnaire, we introduce ourselves as a student of Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris and the program we are enrolled in. Followed by greeting, summarize objective of the program, and thank you them for their time and effort for participating in the survey. The next part is the isolation part. Before respondents start to answer the survey, they need to answer the isolation part first, so we can identify which respondents have used or never used a toothpaste before. The respondent that selected no will not be able to continue, and will end the survey here with thank you. The reason for this is to make sure the information gathered is trustworthy and accurate for further analysis. And lastly, the last section, the questionnaire. This section could only be answered by respondents that selected yes in the isolation part. We have created questions regarding general knowledge for the first section, section A, as well as ensuring that our respondents comprehend the subject of our studies. This serves to test their general knowledge about toothpaste. The questions asked are straightforward, followed with answer for each of the content. Later, we use the strategy of quantifying findings by using the Lect skills. A Lect skill consists of linear answer in skill form of 1 to 5, with 1 being strongly disagree, 2 being disagree, 3 neutral, 4 agree, and 5 being strongly agree. By doing this, we can comprehend the respondent viewpoint particular issue, which in return helps for our teammates in learning more about the subject of our research. Thank you.
Hello, my name is TARISHENI SUBRAMANIAM. For our case study research, we had to find minimum 30 respondents for our survey about toothpaste tablets packaging. In statistics, sampling methods allowed to test her hypothesis about the characteristic of a population. We did this because to understand respondents' behavior by distributing questionnaire via email. We managed to gather 30 respondents in total. Once survey had reached, we did data analysis. Based on the survey, we have used percentage scale and mean analysis as a method to analyze the data we have gathered. We gave 6 questions for percentage, meanwhile 13 statements for mean analysis. Through this Google form, we managed to get that 22 out of 30 respondents are using toothpaste 2 times a day. This is probably because every person cleaned their teeth after waking up in the morning and before going to the bed at night time. Half of the respondents never ever heard of toothpaste tablets before, so it would be more effective after promoting new packaging for the toothpaste tablets. Most of the respondents agreed that tablets are convenient to take out when they need it. Toothpaste tablets are small and easy when someone wants to put in the bag or pocket whenever they want to go out, like during traveling. Additionally, these tablets are eco-friendly and good for the environment. This is because we changed from plastic to paper design to make sure it is easily disposed after it has been used. Lastly, we assume that respondents agree that holes in the packaging are suitable for them to use whenever they want. The second choice is respondents chose individual packaging, which is more comfortable. This action is to prevent the packaging from getting wet easily and destroy other new toothpaste tablets.
My name is PROLISA GABIL BINTI PINDAH and I will present about the ideation of redesign. There is two ideation of redesign based on the packaging that chosen by the respondent. For the first packaging, we went with a hold-on packaging paper box that was inspired by the Tic Tac candy box, which is 39.3% of respondents selected. To make the design more convenient, we redesigned the lid from open up to sliding because it's more quickly and user easily to took out piece of toothpaste tablet from it, and you only need to use one finger to slide the lid and pour the tablet. The purpose of the little hole on the container is to make it easy for you to pour and took out the toothpaste tablet without dropping them too much. In addition, the packaging also comes with the compact size, allows the user to bring the toothpaste anywhere they are, and this is a travel friendly. Besides, the packaging also reusable and recyclable because we use the raw material that comes with paper that can save our planet from the toothpaste and toothpaste tube waste. For the second refillable design, we choose a sliding box which 7.1% of respondents choose it, but it is not compete with the first packaging. We choose sliding paper box as our refillable design choice because we think the individual packaging is too common in the marketplace and its design hardly stand out from other similar product packaging. And the advantage of the design was quite similar with the first design, which is its compact size allow user to bring it everywhere they are, travel friendly, it's eco-friendly and not harmful for the environment, and also the user can more quickly and easily take out piece of tablet by sliding out from the paper box and took out piece of it to clean their teeth. As the size of the paper box, user can have enough amount of tablet 34 for their daily use and not to worry about the insufficient tablet for their whole day and weekly use. And the paper box is also come with the minimalist design that more suitable for all age group.
Hi, and have a nice day, Dr. Bala. My name is Tzee from Group 6 Research Design. For our eco-friendly toothpaste tablet packaging, we chose a questionnaire type of research to collect the most effective data from our center group of respondents. We provide Google Form link to share with WhatsApp group and student emails to gather information about our redesigned packaging to be more quickly and efficiently. The data that was answered by the respondents can help us to add more new ideas or better improvement in our redesigned packaging. As I mentioned before, we use Google Form to collect data for our new ideas and improvement to our packaging. First, we have to introduce ourselves and grade. Then we have given some of our survey objectives to summarize our survey. We also have informed respondents that we use the survey for our research and educational purposes only, so they do not need to worry about their data will be known by someone else. For the user segregation, tool brushing is essential oral hygiene and is usually done by every gender. To make things simpler, so we have several respondents who use toothpaste and those who do not use the toothpaste. In this case, we will show only two straightforward answers, which are yes or no. Those who choose yes will continue their survey, but those who choose no will not be able to continue their survey. Toothpaste tablet redesigns. In this survey, we have provided two redesigned toothpaste packaging for respondents to choose which one they prefer and can fulfill their needs and behavior for using the toothpaste tablet packaging. We have provided a different view of the design to ensure that respondents can understand the design style and the function of the packaging for the user. Question A. Through the different perspective of redesigning packaging, respondents can easily choose one as their favorite. After that, they will be asked to give some suggestions about the redesigned packaging that they chose before. This suggestion can help us allocate users' needs and the advantages and disadvantages when the packaging comes out. Next is the sampling method. The sampling method that we chose is a mixed method to conduct the survey. Our group has figured out that the most suitable sampling method is stratified, which means we will separate the population into groups of strata. This means that we will pick one of the most suitable groups to answer this survey to help us figure out the most attractive and fulfilling users' needs for packaging design. Then, a stratified random sample can help our data be more accurate and effective in our project research. Survey response rates. From our survey, we successfully collect 35 responses and finalized the data that we collected. In this survey, we have used two forms of analysis such as percentage scale and users' opinions. In the step of the percentage scale, we noticed that there are 94.3% out of 100% of respondents choose yes for the first question, which is, have you ever used toothpaste? And another 5.7% of respondents choose no for this question. This means that the majority of respondents use toothpaste. Then, for respondents who choose yes for the first question, they will proceed to the next more important question, which is to choose one of the proposed designs that are better in your opinion. Based on the data, we have collected a total of 25 respondents, which is 75.7% think that a whole packaging paper box is a better design for toothpaste tablets. Another respondent think that a sliding paper box is a better design. As a final, we choose a whole-on packaging paper box as our final redesign for our toothpaste tablet packagings. Second, user opinions are also important in the improvement of our redesign packaging. Many of them such as the shape, color, and size of the packaging, and some improvement on the closing design. Some of them think that adding transparency at the whole-on packaging is much better than before. Thank you.
My name is CHEAH and I'll be presenting the last two parts of our assignment. Here we come to data analysis conclusion. From our entire questionnaire distribution, we gathered around 35 respondents in total. Based on the first part survey, 33 of our respondents, which is 94.3%, have used toothpaste before. Meanwhile, 2 of our respondents, which is 5.7%, have never used it before. In the second part of the survey, 1 of 2 ideas will be chosen for the final design. From what we have gathered, it is concluded that the most preferred design is the first option, redesign 1, which is hole in the packaging paper box, with a total of 75.7% or 25 respondents, while 24.2% or only 8 respondents voted for the second design, which is redesign 2, which is the sliding box. Lastly, we come to final design. Our final design is based on a combination of our creativity and the user's perception. Based on the questionnaire, we are going to add some features to solve the user's problem and enhance the effectiveness of using the toothpaste tablets. To begin with, most of the users consider the amount of toothpaste tablets that coming out from the whole of the packaging. First, let me use this tick box to explain easily in our video, okay? We designed an oval-shaped hollow on the opposite side of the opening, which is here, to let the users tap on it. After tapping on the container, paper will automatically fall off from the whole of the container due to the vibration of tapping. Moreover, we designed the whole of the packaging that is nearly the same size as the size of tablets, so that only one tablet will come out every time after we tap on the container. Next, 2 users hope that we can make the material of the packaging to be waterproof so that it will not affect the toothpaste tablet inside. We considered choosing waterproof recyclable paper that is similar to the paper cup, which is coated with wax to prevent liquid from soaking through the paper material. Furthermore, we designed the shape of the container into a holdable shape or ergonomic design by creating a curved shape for both sides of the rectangular container to the users to hold. Besides that, as for the sliding handle, we also designed a semi-oval shaped hollow for both left and right side to make the users easier to slide open and slide close the lid. Additionally, the size of our toothpaste tablets packaging allows users to bring the toothpaste tablet outdoors, and it is convenient for traveling. Other than that, there are 4 users that are required to design the appearance of the packaging design to be more colorful, attractive, and eye-catching. The front side of the packaging shows a grinning mouth with white and sparkling teeth. This visual is appealing attractive to the users to buy the product. Apart from that, 4 users wish to see the remaining of the tablets through transparent sheets on the packaging. To fulfill the needs of users, we choose to use recyclable, high quality, and high clarity rigid PET rollstock material for the transparent sheets in the middle of the front side of packaging. PET stands for polyethylene terephthalate. Besides, we decided to place a transparent sheet in the middle of a grinning mouth with white teeth to create a creative and useful design. The users not only can see through the remaining of the tablets, how the tablets look like, and also get attracted by the packaging. To sum up, our redesign of toothpaste tablets packaging is reusable and refillable. That's all from me. Thank you.